Good morning and welcome to S&B Diaries. Today we're at Clovelly, Devon's one of Devon's top attractions. It's a private fishing village. We've just arrived here at the visitor centre and we're going to wander around and explore this little fishing town. For adults it's £8.75. Children it's £5.10. We're here at the Clovelly Visitor Centre, Mount Pleasant, Clovelly. We're high up on the coastline. It's all cobblestones. It's an old lake shrine. Just showing you how far we've come, how far down. Approaching the corner here. Cute little houses and cottages here. We're approaching the new inn. Yes, sat on the table. Look at these bright berries here on the tree. We just passed some American tourists. There's the New Inn Hotel. It says the church is down there somewhere. I'll just show you. And a third of the way down, there's Beth in her yellow jacket. Lovely yellow house here. Must be about halfway now. Little side alley. It's a cute little garden. Just showing you around. Got a wonderful fuchsia. Fisherman's cottage. Little dresser with the china on it. Guess this would have been the front room. And a beautiful little fireplace there with the sewing machine and a piano right beside it. Lovely old clock on the wall. And here's the washroom, baking room, bathroom, and the old stove with the kitchen scales. Little tin tub with a teddy in it. Oh, just coming around to St. Peter's Chapel. There's the village chapel. And view from the altar looking back. Very the main cobbled street, and carry on making our way down. Wonderful display outside this cottage here. Closed. Just come down to the Old cottage tea room. Lovely old milk churn outside. Rodder's cream teas enjoying tea. How about that for some ornate detail around the door frame? Wonderful. Oh, we can now see the seafront. Show you the view. Got an old contribution thing for the lifeboat here. Show you the view around the coast. It's a little bit cloudy today. Shame it's not clear, but gives you an idea of what we're seeing here. And a video of the Clovelly harbour. Tide's out at the moment, and then they got the Red Lion Hotel here on the left hand side, the white building in your picture. There's a few more steps to go down. Well, we've decided on this occasion that we're going to start heading back up the steps. Just heading up some mossy steps. They're very uneven. Back out onto the cobbles. And the sun's just come out, and we've just had some nice clotted cream teas here in the tea room. Where we've come.
How can I go up?
In the picturesque.
How can I go up?
This is the donkey shoe shop. Haven't seen any donkeys here today. I was just telling Beth earlier, last time I was here was in the 1970s. So we're outside the new inn. They got all their sleds here that they get all their goods transported down to the pub. And we're heading back up the steps now. Quite a few people coming down into Clovelly now. Get their eggs down to the restaurant. It's just looking down on the rooftops at the corner turn of Clovelly, looking down on the sea, and now the sun's just come out just as we're departing. So we're heading to the donkey stables and workshops now. Velvets, wools, accessories. Let's go in and have a look. Just entered the soap shop. The smell's amazing. We're currently outside the donkey stables. They're enjoying some time in the field at the moment. Lovely brickwork, built in 1889. Lovely old stone trough there. And this is the donkey stables inside. Still got your cobbled flooring. For watching our tour of the little Clovelly village in North Devon. So thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.